Jenna
and Josh
with Resort TV1, and today we are at the Magic Kingdom and we have Rachel and Peter here from Window Repair Parts, so we're super excited. We're gonna hang out here at the Magic Kingdom and then later, bungalow time, bungalow time. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So our first stop today is what, Josh?
Haunted Mansion.
One of my favorites. And Peter.
My first time.
Yes, has never been on. I know. Wait.
What? We have to correct this problem. He hasn't been on this ride.
I know.
Correct the problem.
We're about to. Here we go. Go, Peter, go.
Please step away from the walls and into the dead center of the room, away from the walls.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Oh, you almost look like Olaf. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have dreamed of this day for a very long time. Guess where we're going? To the bungalows! Like, I cannot hide my excitement. I cannot. We're dancing. We're dancing. We're dancing. Oh my word, look at Peter.
Well, you have to scan to get on. That's what he said. Oh my goodness. Scan.
Oh, we got it.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Try again.
Try again later.
Oh,
we got it.
Access granted.
Winner chicken dinner.
Sorry.
That's
got
Oh
excited.
goodness.
we got it.
We are actually on the bungalow bridge.
Guys, we're doing this. We are doing this.
People are staring.
People are staring. We're on the bungalow bridge. Oh my word. This is
This is
awesome.
like amazing. Surreal.
So surreal. So surreal.
Dale with us, the one and only.
Dale! Dale, where's Chip? I know. We're almost there.
Let's go swimming.
Where's our bungalow? Bungalow! 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 Find it now!
Find the bungalow. Find it now. That's
It's at the Polynesian. Sponsored by Craig Murillo. Window Repair Parts.us. Use the coupon code RESORTTV1 for 20% off your purchase. Yay!
There seems to be like a little junction. It's
Oh, I
like
was
a
gonna say, we
cul-de-sac.
could have got in over here. I thought there might be more than
We
one
just wanted
entry.
to do a tour of
That's
all
exactly-
of them.
I love it.
That's why we did it.
Love it.
Much more intense.
Wait. Hang on. Are you ready? Wait for it. Wait. Bam!
Jingle bell, bam. Indiana, where are you from?
Just kidding. We're not staying at a bungalow. Just kidding, guys.
Just kidding. But you know, we did go in one. It was really fun, so thanks for watching.
Yes, it was beautiful. I loved it.
Okay, that was 13.
Epic fail.
Fail.
Epic fail. Yes, we went the wrong way, guys.
The wrong way.
But that's okay.
Okay, but I think this is the right
We're back on track.
We're definitely going to hear the ferry boats.
We're good to go. Yes, that's
Oh,
okay.
this is a much better view.
All right. Well, we get to do our magic band again. Take two. We're in. You guys, we're in. Take two. Woo!
Round two.
Oh my word! You can hear the boats.
Still a great view.
Still a great view. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Bungalow.
Wait for it. Bam! Wait.
7018, right, Rach?
That's it. We are the very last one. Run! Oh my word, I want to live here forever. Forever. This is amazing. They're running, they're running. Rachel, it's the third one. You guessed it. You guessed it.
You called it.
Because Josh is like, which bungalow are we going to say? And Rachel's like, the third one. Okay,
Do come true.
you need a lottery ticket.
Yes.
Rachel.
All right.
The lottery. No. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
What that is?
Yes.
Oh, you waited too long.
We're gonna try it again.
Okay, wait.
That was
Hang on.
anticlimactic.
Wait just a second.
Just kidding.
Oh, wow, it's like a house.
What? And it smells so good. Wait.
It does have a smell. Oh
My.
Goodness.
it's insane.
We're here, we're here, we're here, we're here, we're here. Oh my word.
Open these.
This thing right here.
Are they automatic?
Wait.
Are we gonna put Resort TV in?
We're here.
Wow, this is awesome.
Oh, look at that picture.
How beautiful.
Oh.
Look at that TV. That is huge.
Bam! Resort TV.
Hey, mine only goes down. It doesn't come back up.
Is it the other?
Oh, Peter's got it. Good job, Peter. Oh my
What?
Goodness.
Castle.
Holy
Hot tub.
You guys.
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain. Can you believe it?
Bam. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in. Are you guys ready?
Those are the only 3 things I can say right now.
Hang on, what are they doing?
Swing it.
Oh my word, look at those.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm zoomed in.
Oh my goodness.
Zoom out.
Oh my lord.
There we go.
We can call room
Dale's
service.
already
Call
sleeping.
room service from the balcony.
Hang on, what? You guys.
Look at that hot tub.
Huge thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Thanks, DPC Dad. We love
is
you.
absolutely
And
incredible.
DPC Mom.
BBC daughter.
And DPC Daughter.
Speakers. That's how the fireworks. Music comes through the speakers.
Does it really?
Yes.
The emoji.
Oh, shower. Oh, an outdoor
It's
shower.
got a shower.
Peter says, oh, shower.
It's raining.
It's raining, guys.
Under the roof.
Peter made it rain, like literally.
You guys.
Cannot believe it.
This is insane.
God bless.
No.
I am like.
I want to wave to the boat people. Hi, boat people.
Guys, we are so close to the magic, I can smell it.
You can smell the magic.
I want to swim to the castle right now.
Well,
We could swim there.
I think I'll take a boat.
It'd be kind of long though.
Yeah, maybe a little. You might get tired.
Did you right?
Okay, Rachel says there's 3 bathrooms. Wait, Rachel, where are you? Where are you?
I don't know.
Bam.
Damn. Wait, this is a. Wait, I turned the lights on through a device right here.
What? That's like a cell phone. Oh, now they're dimming.
Why?
You. Look at the tiki lamp.
Look at this room right now. Look at the bathroom.
Wait.
I'm like, what?
What? Where are all the lights in this joint?
What?
Wait. This is huge. Wait, what? What am I
Look
seeing?
at the pull-out bed over there.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wait, no, JR, come here.
Okay, wait, I'm coming.
Wait, is this?
And look at this tub.
You guys. This show. Oh, it just got dark. Now we're in the Haunted Mansion. Wait, where are we?
I don't know.
We don't know how to work the cool lights in here.
I heard
Look at
something
this.
happen just now.
Josh heard something happen.
I maybe turned it on, but I don't know.
You guys, something's
Maybe-
supposed to happen in this mirror. We're waiting on it.
Where is it? Do you know what corner it's in?
No, I think it's in the middle.
Where?
It's in the middle.
Okay, maybe we're just not pointing at it.
This is a little creepy.
With the eye somewhere else.
Maybe there's no.
Maybe we can watch YouTube on this thing.
Huh?
We could put our live stream
Project
on.
it on the.
Oh, we should.
Put the live stream on the TV.
Okay, guys, we're going in the next bedroom.
No, no,
Is this not? This is not a bathroom.
no, that's closet.
Closet. Okay.
No way. Oh my word, it's stitched.
I
Guys.
love this.
Sorry.
Oh yeah.
You guys,
Yeah.
look at this
The
bed.
electric light parade.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Totally retro Polynesian.
Retro Polynesian.
Are the lights in here too? Yeah, I turned them on. I was gonna get a 360 on.
Look at the ceiling.
It's so awesome.
Hi, I'm calling to.
Do you guys want to choose bedrooms?
The Ohana Twilight. Anybody else, I would rather spend this experience with than you guys.
There's security.
The boat was headed right for us. Hi, boat people. Hi. Hi. They're waving. Yay. That's awesome.
There you go.
Oh, look at that boat go.
One, yeah. So we're good.
We're chilling in the bungalow.
We're good inside the movie. Inside the movie.
Hey, it's Chris and Jen, and look what Jen brought. Oh my
it's a Toy Story
goodness.
party.
It is a Toy Story party. These, look at these. These are amazing.
Wow.
Love it. Oh my word, look at these. So cute. And cupcakes.
Yes, these are the woody ones.
Woody cupcakes.
That's why they're on a woody.
And then the Buzz
I know, some of them
cupcake.
melted. It's okay.
They're still super cute.
The amazing.
And
Made these for
the tablecloth.
So we just got them to bring our bags up to the room, and they brought this actual lei. It's like real flowers. Usually they give you the silk ones, which are fine, but this is absolutely amazing. Wow.
Ohana is here.
Dinner is served.
What?
Oh, and they brought my favorite punch.
Oh yeah.
You wanted to ask
Can you guys?
Can you smell this food right now? Wait, there's more.
Oh.
Look at the shrimp.
Wait, so we don't like normally.
Okay guys, so we just watched Happily Ever After out on the balcony.
Arjan's, what you think?
Sorry, I forgot to film it, but it's on the live stream, so you can watch it there. So yeah, I better join Josh back on the live stream.
Yes.
That was amazing, right?
I'm sitting here taking it in.
It's
It
amazing.
was just amazing.
I loved it. Dale's chilling on the couch. The pool's all nice and lit up. Some people hanging out on the balcony. Just hanging out in the bungalow. Or the bungalow, however you want to say it. Oh my word, look at the tikis, they're all lit up. I love it. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, there is a TV right here in the mirror. Like I can't, and check out my alien onesie. Do you love it? Oh my word. So this is from Spokesman and Jen, and I love them so much. And we're all aliens, and that's so cute. Alright guys, check out our alien onesies. Oh my goodness, they are so cute.
So cute.
So thanks to Jen and Chris from Spokes, Maine. I love it so much. So cute. And we've had so much fun today. Like I can't, it still feels like a dream.
It really does.
I can't.
Yeah.
Even, but we've so enjoyed it. So thank you so much
Oh,
to
you're
Rachel
so
and
welcome.
DPC Dad and Mom. We love them so much.
We had so much fun.
And I think I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and be like, wait, did this happen?
I know.
Did this really happen? Like, I don't. It's a dream.
replay.
Let's do this again, right? So, anyways, we're super excited. We hope you guys enjoyed checking out the bungalow with us and everything. It was just so much fun. Definitely check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney planning advice. And also WindowRepairParts.us. Use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase. And go check out Spokes, Maine and Disney Princess Couture. And definitely keep coming back for more videos. And give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what your favorite part was about tonight. Yes. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.